Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a very exciting unboxing to do. Now there was someone that reached out to me on Stacker Social. I'm not actually going to say their username because I think it'll be quite nice for you to wait and see who it was when they showcase this in the show your pickup section of Stacker Social. But someone reached out to me and they've had a piece made by Silverpunk that they've just purchased. And would I be up for intercepting it before it arrives to them and showcasing it on my channel? Now, I was honoured that they had reached out to me and they wanted to see a video on my channel before they actually got to see the piece in their hand themselves. So thank you very much for reaching out to me. Really, really nice idea to let me do an unboxing video and showcase it in all its glory. But I thought I'd pick this drink because it really fits in well with the unboxing. I've seen a sneak peek of what this looks like and you are definitely a lucky sod to have picked this up. So we're gonna have a glass of Lucky Sod tonight. This is actually a whiskey liqueur. I've never had it before. I picked up this bottle and I only picked up the bottle because of the name. I thought it was funny and I was buying a couple of other bits from the Whiskey Exchange, I think it was the Whiskey Exchange. And I ended up grabbing this at the same time. It's a toffee, caramel, smooth vanilla liqueur with Irish whiskey, 29%. So it's still fairly strong for a liqueur. It actually tastes like it says on the tin. Quite often when you get things and they say they taste like toffee and caramel and all this sort of thing, when you sip them, they're like, no, I can't taste any toffee, can't taste any caramel. Whereas with this, you really, really can taste the toffee and the caramel, and it's quite smooth. It's not a drink you could drink back to back throughout an evening, but one or two, it's really nice. And I thought it was quite funny. It fitted in quite well, like I said, with the person that has brought this piece that I'm going to showcase today. They really are a lucky sod for snatching this up before anyone else decided to buy it. I'm going to move that over there. I still like the idea of keeping it in the backdrop of the video. Got a little bit of silver out here to wet your whistle. We'll keep that in view as well. There we go. And let's get straight into the video. Right, so here is the parcel. It literally arrived today. Like I said, I had a sneak peek of this. Silverpunk actually showcased this on Stacker Social before the person picked it up. So I know kind of what to expect, but I haven't seen the presentation and everything. But yeah, really looking forward to seeing this. Those of you that haven't yet seen the unboxing that Cardiff Gold did today on their YouTube channel, I will leave a link to that video in today's video description. They actually also picked up something from Silverpunk. Really, really cool looking piece. And they did an unboxing on their channel today. And like I said, I will leave a link to that video if you'd like to go and check it out. But I'm going to be extra careful with this piece because, like I said, this is not for me to keep. This is for me to unbox, showcase, and then send on to its rightful owner. But yeah, really nice of you to reach out and let me have the opportunity to see this before you do in the hand. But it looks absolutely stunning from the pictures. Silverpunk always wraps his things so well. It's not great for unboxing, but it is great to make sure that the piece that's inside the box gets to you in one piece. Or in this case, in 4 pieces. Actually, 5 pieces. You'll see what I mean in a minute. There we go. Right, we're in. I'm going to be very careful to keep all this packaging peanuts together because I'm going to be repackaging this back up this evening and sending it on to its owner. Move that to one side. Wow, look at this. This has been wrapped extremely well. Loads of layers of bubble wrap. The presentation with the pieces that Silverpunk sells really are second to none. You get so many bits included with it. Right, okay, so that is the paid special delivery postage label for me to be able to send it on to the person after I've finished filming this video. So it's going to be a nice smooth transaction. Right, first of all, we'll save this till last. So this is the framed original 3D printed mold that was used to make this piece, but I'll save that till last so we don't spoil the piece inside here. Wow, look at this. This looks absolutely incredible. The presentation is so good. Right, I'm going to put that to one side because that's just the label. Look at this. Wow. This box looks amazing. Really futuristic, this box, and you'll understand why he's gone for a box looking like this when you see the piece inside. But like I said, with the presentation, just this box alone looks really, really nice and sturdy. Let's have a little zoom in. We'll move that back and let's pop this open. Look at that. Wow, nicely protected. Look at this. Wow, this is incredible. Right, so we have the COA here first, and you can see this is actually a GPS tracker COA. Let's have a look what number we've got here. So we've got 44 of 365. So there's still quite a few of these available. The limited mintage on these trackers is 365. So we've still got quite a few of them left to go. Like I said before in videos, once they all go, I'm going to start doing some giveaways based on the number of your mintage. So for example, I will release a video saying that the person that has mintage number 20 will win a piece of silver and so on. So yeah, do grab one if you're interested. But this is incredible. Look, you see got the two poker chips, the special edition one and the silver punk one. Look at this. This is absolutely incredible. So you can see that we've not only got a 4-panel piece set, but we've also got a GPS track around in the same box. And how incredible does that look alongside each other? Really, really cool. As soon as I saw this piece go up on Silverpunk's channel on Stacker Social, I knew it would be snapped up because it really is an absolutely stunning piece. And what a great way of having a GPS track around in the same box with it as well. Most of you watching this video would have already seen these trackers, so I won't spend too much time on the tracker. But you can see it's serialized on the back. Really, really stunning piece. But let's shift over to the star of the show, which is this 4-piece panel set. Look at that. That is absolutely incredible. These are so chunky. Really, really nice. In the hand, they just feel so heavy. I don't know exactly what the weight was. I can't remember what the weight was on these. But it's got to be, that's got to be minimum 10 ounces there. But look at that. Absolutely stunning. Let me zoom back out a little bit. And what's great about this is every single piece looks good individually. So every single piece has got its own bit of character. That is a really thick piece, that one. Really, really chunky. You can see every single piece is individually hallmarked. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. That is, I think that's the thickest piece out of all of them. Really chunky piece. So we've got that piece there. Got this piece here. And like I said, every single one in its own right is a stunning slab of silver. And there's no other way to describe it. It's literally a slab of silver. It's not a bar. It's a pure slab. It's like a tile, like a kitchen tile size. Feels like in the hand because of the weight. You've got a hallmark as well on that one. Really, really nice. And again, that's a nice thick chunky piece as well. Then we've got these two pieces. This is a slightly thinner piece. You've got the thick piece on this side, but this side's slightly thinner, which gives it that really, really nice high relief. Look at that. Look how much it's raised. Absolutely stunning. This is probably my favorite piece. I always like picking a favorite piece when you see these panel pieces. The piece that looks the best if it was a standalone piece, and I think so far it's this one. I love how you've got all this toning, all the robotics kind of backdrop, and then you've got the person's lips and nose, little beard. Absolutely incredible. What a stunning work of art. And then last but not least, we've got this piece. Now actually going to change my mind, because this is my favorite piece. Look at the detail in the hair. Look at all the strands of the hair. Got the glasses, and then you've got this really, really cool futuristic background as well. And the toning looks amazing. I love the toning, how you've got this mixture of colours in the background, but then you've got the antiqued toning on the actual piece. Absolutely incredible. And again, this is hallmarked. Really cool looking back this one's got. Really nice pattern of colours. And when we add them all together, you get that absolutely stunning work of art. Look at that. Really, really nice. And it's quite nice that I'm actually getting to film with a little bit of daylight coming through, because you can really see all the colours. I really love the toning in the microchip at the back of this. Matches the coppery toning in this. Knowing Silverpunk, I'm guessing he did that on purpose to really make them flow as a kind of presentation piece. But yeah, that is truly stunning. I absolutely love this box as well. A really futuristic box. Look at that. What a stunning way to present such a stunning piece. So yeah, massive shout out to the person that has picked this up. And oh wow, look. Lucky I closed it. I didn't even realise the COA is actually on the top there. Wow, okay. So I assumed the COA, because I hadn't seen it, was going to be attached to the picture frame. But it's not. It's actually attached to the inside of the box. So wow, look at that. So this is basically a foam insert that goes over there, and that would just got stuck up there, so you couldn't see it. So wow, how lucky was it then that I just closed it? So you can see, here we go, you've got all the details on here. It's the Cyberpunk. The weight is 11.47 ounces. Yeah, so I thought it was about 10 ounces. So we've got 11, it's almost 12 ounces. 11.5 ounces. Purity is 3/9 fine. 2024 and mintage 101. And you've got Silverpunk signature there. And you've also got the GPS track around, COA on the side, which is really cool. And then you've got the other side, because these COAs are actually double-sided. So you've got that side and that side. So really cool how that's been put on the top of that box. And wow, that is a really nice touch. What a special touch that I didn't even realise. That was literally stuck there like that the whole way through this video. It was only when I closed it that actually fell down. So wow, look at that. Really finishes the presentation, doesn't it? What an absolutely stunning piece. We're going to have a last little look at these panel pieces. Now, this person that has let me showcase this before sending it on to them, they have a lot of trust in me, because I'm so tempted to keep hold of this piece and just delete all of my social media platforms. That is how good it looks and feels in the hand. No, I'm only joking, but yeah, absolutely stunning. Really, really nice piece. And as it says on the top there, it's a one of one. This won't be produced again, so you won't be able to get another one like this again. And that makes it even more special. Absolutely stunning. What an incredible piece. So yeah, thank you very much, Silverpunk, for sending this on. Thank you very much to the person that's purchased this for letting me make this video. I'll get this packaged up before I even edit this video today, and I'll get this over to you as quick as possible. I will showcase the picture frame as well. Now, this is a picture frame, and this is something that Silverpunk has recently started doing, and he actually puts the original 3D printed panel pieces that were used in the sand pouring process into a picture frame. So what a really cool touch. Something that you can actually keep out and put on your wall or on your mantelpiece, because you wouldn't want to leave the actual piece of silver sitting around because these are premium pieces, but this is something that you could leave sitting around just to remind you what a stunning piece you have in your collection. Look at that. You can even see some of the leftover sand in the 3D print, which really gives it that extra authenticity to the piece as well. So yeah, absolutely stunning. Look at that. What an incredible touch. What a great package all round. So yeah, like I said, thanks everyone involved in letting me put this video together. Really enjoyed this video. I knew I would, hence the reason we've got the lucky sod drink, because you, my friend, are a lucky sod to receive this. It's absolutely incredible. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Thanks so much for everyone that watches my videos, likes, shares, and all the rest of it. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll also leave a link to Silverpunk's website in today's video description. So if you're interested in picking up something similar to this, where you get the art panel pieces, then do head over and have a look what he's got on the site. Most of them get snapped up very quickly. So if there's something you see that you like I did with the piece that I picked up, make sure you are quick to pick it up, because they don't hang around for long. And like I said before, Silverpunk is one of these newer pourers in the community. He's a very up and coming pourer. And as time goes on, I do truly believe that these pieces are going to be harder and harder to get hold of. As his fan base grows, they're going to get snapped up a lot quicker as time goes on. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Thanks for all the support, and I hope you all have a very nice day.